Two things we know for sure. The markets have zero liquidity, and they've been awfully crazy today. That's a guarantee. Just take a look. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard. It is Bubba's Daily Update for Tuesday, June the 30th, last day of the month, last day of the quarter, and the Russell rebalancing, already a wild day, and it could get really wild as it goes on because of the lack of liquidity, because of what the Russell rebalancing, because of the end of the month. There's a lot of things that can drive this market today, and of course, right now you're seeing the NASDAQ explode, the S&P higher, Dow and Russell both lower. And of course, it fits almost perfectly with our position. We're short the S&P, Dow, and Russell, and long the NASDAQ. But in the meantime, again, we're not predicting. We play the algorithm straight. We don't worry about it. The markets could go anywhere today. Now, it looks like we're leaning towards the upside, certainly in the NASDAQ and the S&P. But again, as we near the end of the day, we'll see how this all plays out. In the meantime, again, our positions will remain the same. The metals are starting to break out now. Gold is at the highs of the day. Silver is near its highs of the day. And we're both long gold and silver. And of course, we know that gold is tracking at 1,800. We'll see what happens when it gets there. And of course, platinum is popping a little bit today. I think right into resistance. We remain long gold and silver, short platinum. We remain long copper, which is up once again, amazingly enough. Natural gas, which we are short, is a little bit higher today. Bonds we're long and bonds are higher, along with the notes. Dollar is flattish to lower. But again, we're long dollars, long bonds. So again, at the end of the day, again, it's a wild, crazy day. Let's not get carried away. Don't get too overly aggressive in here. You got to be cautious and know your exits when you're trading, and don't predict the markets or don't trade the news. Because if you trade the news, you're going to lose, guaranteed. In the meantime, we've got grains, which are slightly higher. They're starting to give a little bit of ground right now, but we've got a big report. I believe it's at noon Eastern time. I never checked reports. I could care less. I just look at the price action. But we do have a report. It is around noon Eastern time, I think. And, again, I think the most bearish information has already been priced in. I can't imagine, I could be wrong, but I can't imagine a report being much more bearish than the price action we've already seen. We are short wheat, we are short corn, long beans, but I would expect to see, a pullback for a day trade I'm going to make for sure. And of course, I will wait till the algorithms to change, but I'd love to be long the grains here. I think we're getting to prices that are just really basically ridiculously low. But again, they could go lower, but typically in commodities, low prices will cure lower prices. Cattle popping a little bit, both fast and feeders are higher. Hogs are basically flat, slightly lower. Again, we remain long cattle, short hogs. Now, I do expect probably a spike up this week one day, like a limit up move in hogs before it's all said and done. Again, it's going to happen, and I expect it. So, again, you should never be surprised by market action if you're watching the actual trade and watching the price action. And we'll see. Again, just know your exits, trade away, but know where you're going to get out if you're wrong. Okay. In the meantime, happy to announce our new friendly relationship, our new partnership with Family Farms. Great organization. We're looking forward to it, and I'll continue to bring you new information as we set things up. But in the meantime, great for us and them together. I think we're going to make a great partnership and a great team. In the meantime, don't forget about our unbelievable commodity report written by Andy Hecht. It's called Technomental. You can get it at BUBBATrading.com and just look up Technomental. In the meantime, Andy is the #1 writer or author for Seeking Alpha, also at one time the largest silver trader in the world, and traded physical commodities worldwide, traveled to all these places you and I wouldn't want to go to. And our brokerage partners are second to none. We have great partnerships because we demand customer service. We demand being with people that care about our members, and these guys do. CTG, Futures and Commodities, they handle all of our letter direction trading. They are phenomenal at what they do. They take care of you. You call them, they answer the phone. Again, they've got some great new products on their own. And of course, for brokerage, equity, trade here, the first thing I say is $10 a month. Okay, that's number one. That's like putting money in your pocket. But number two, they've got great customer service as well. We tie into their API, so as we get more automated, things will be done with more automation, which I can't wait for, and it's very exciting. And of course, I'm happy to be teamed up with Trader on that. So that's going to be a great thing. So again, I urge you, if you want to check them out, just email me at bubba@bubbatrading.com. I'll send you their special links that we get for our special pricing. And of course, Don't forget about our high school program as we start to reboot it and get it ready for the new school year. Hopefully there'll be school. But if you want to help us out, you can go to Patreon, patreon.com/Bubba Trading. That's patreon.com/Bubba Trading. In the meantime, have a great day. Be careful. Again, it's the end of the month and the end of the quarter. Could be extremely active on either side, usually favors to the up, and you've got the Russell rebalancing. So the last hour could be really crazy. And with this lack of liquidity, it could be unbelievable. So be careful. Know where you're getting out if you get in. In the meantime, have a great day. Be healthy, be safe, and we'll see you back here tomorrow with another Bubba's Daily Update.